Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your device so Google Assistant can access notifications. First, update the Google app and Assistant components. This ensures the feature exists. Once done, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google right arrow Notifications and grant notification access. This lets Assistant read content aloud. Next, enable voice match and personal results in Assistant settings so it recognizes you and reads private items. Make sure your default language supports notification reading, because language mismatches block content parsing and spoken feedback. Now you configure what Assistant will actually read and when. Go to Google App right arrow More right arrow Settings, right arrow Google Assistant right arrow Notifications, right arrow Announce Notifications, then toggle it on. After that, pick specific apps, messaging, email, and calendar, so Assistant only speaks desired alerts. Also check permissions for SMS, calls, and calendar inside Android settings and allow them for Google. Once you've picked apps, set preferred behavior like only when headset connected or always. These options control privacy and interruptions. Finish by testing and fine-tuning. Send yourself a test message or calendar alert and say, "Hey Google, read my notifications" to confirm functionality. You'll hear example phrasing and why it reads certain content. If it's intermittent, disable battery optimization for Google and ensure Do Not Disturb rules aren't blocking announcements. If it still fails, go back and regrant notification access and app permissions, then reboot. That tip fixes most issues because permission resets or sleep policies commonly interrupt Assistant's ability to read alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.